What it do, Mr. Drummer, sir, man?
Look at this. Both that shit, nigga. FBG shit, homie. We out here out of the ocean and shit. Busy Ball out here with us. Looking for Church Mars, Flash Strong. The whole family out here, man. Yeah, man. We swim on the at 6 in the morning, we swim. Look at that ocean, man.
The Atlantic Ocean, nigga.
Atlantic.
In the Atlantic.
Son about to get ready to start. Beautiful thing.
Wait, what's up, sir? How you living, man?
Hey, go over there, hit the pool up.
Yeah.
Go kick it with them in the pool.
Slow, just come that camera.
How you living, Slow, man?
You tell nigga like that. We in Miami. We in Fort Lauderdale chilling. Me and my nigga Big
Yeah.
we do. Both thugs in the building.
Yeah.
Squad up.
You opening the window, my nigga.
Oh, shit.
You want to know what we talking about, bud?
Yeah.
In the window, bud.
Let her know.
Hey, what I tell you?
Already in the window. Oh, sorry. We gonna get it wrong this time.
Oh, you know, where you go?
Go over there and kick it with Busy, too. Come out here. You know it's a problem.
Just for about
Detroit Motel, got my boy Busy in the building. Over there chilling, Busy in the building right here. Little foolish off a little Busy. What's up, sir? Busy in the building. Yeah.
WeeGee the Hustla, WeeGee man, Detroit co-CEO, you dig? All this out here on this 90-day tour with the big homie Bone Thugs, Low Thugs, time getting in, nigga. Like I said, we're out there in the Atlantic, we got it in. Nigga still rocking heavy chains in this bitch. Still in this motherfucker. Nigga that died twice in the goddamn Atlantic. I think I died twice. Nobody come to save my fat ass or nothing like that, so I don't make it back from Florida. We're in Florida right now, so we done did Arizona, we done did Texas, we done did Louisiana, now we in Florida and shit. Tonight, our last night in Florida, it was like 6 in the morning right now, but tonight the last show in Florida, then we dipping off to, what's up we going? Oh, Georgia.
Yeah.
We get in the ATL, Lithium Squad,
Atlantic Ocean right there.
So we swim in the Atlantic at 6 in the morning. Detroit, wake the fuck up.
Yeah.
Wake the fuck up, man. Lithium Squad, nigga. Detroit No Thug, it's official, man. Nigga, y'all thought niggas was lying, scamming, and playing, nigga.
Right.
Stop playing, nigga. No Thug. Nigga, we
For a lot, Fort Lauderdale.
Fort Lauderdale. We were Fort Lauderdale. Where we at? Say it again. Fort Lauderdale, nigga.
All right there, nigga. We out here all
Nigga,
down.
swimming in the Atlantic. And I did that twice. Say your mama come save. Look at this beautiful view. Hey, look at this. We out here in the beautiful Atlantic. And we out here holding down.
Waffle House, we don't hit.
Listen,
we just got out that motherfucker. We got out there and said we need love, we ashy as fuck. Having a good time enjoying life.
The big homies on the penthouse popping all the
penthouse hoes
is
on
big
deck.
as fuck.
You know what I'm saying? The whole team out there.
Penthouse is big as a house. Big plush, big mic up there, knock the fuck out. About to hit the road and shit, hit the next city, hit breakfast and shit, get it in, Lithium Squad, Detroit Motel, they can see the tats.
Not to mention.
Hold on, show the tats. Talk to them, Nietzsche. Show the tats.
Every city, every state.
Oh, you know it? Oh, yeah, and they've been buying the CDs. DetroitMotel.com, nigga. And they've been buying the CDs. Nigga, Google us, nigga. Banging out here, nigga. You hit the stop.
I'm on the road to riches trying to get it what you want from me.